Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Yongala and try and find a platypus.
Yongala National Park is one of Queensland's most ecologically diverse parks, located 80 kilometres west of Mackay. It sits high above the surrounding plains and is a mist-shrouded and forest-clad mountain refuge harbouring diverse plants and wildlife.
In today's video, we explore Broken River, where we spot a platypus and see some turtles. We enjoyed the views from the sky window, then went to the Pinnacle Hotel for one of their famous pies for lunch. After lunch, we hiked to Araluen Cascades and the Wheel of Fire in the Finch Hatton Gorge.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
Broken River is one of the best places to see a platypus in the wild, and there are several purpose-built viewing platforms along the river. As platypus are nocturnal, you will usually spot them early in the morning or at dusk. The best way to spot them is to approach the riverbank slowly and quietly and look for ripples and bubbles made by the platypus searching on the riverbed for food. Then wait for them to come to the surface.
After watching the platypuses, turtles and birds, we wandered along the river enjoying the views.
From the Sky Window car park and picnic area, it is an easy 250 metre walk to two lookouts with stunning views over the Pioneer Valley.
The Pinnacle Hotel was built in 1930 and is a lovely old country pub with fantastic pies. We enjoyed a chicken and leek and a beef and bacon pie for lunch.
From the Pinnacle Hotel to Finch Hatton Gorge is 16 kilometres, and after a few creek crossings and the last 2 kilometres of gravel road, we arrived at the medium-sized car park.
We wander along the track towards Araluen Cascades, a Grade 3 2.8 kilometre return hike that takes about an hour and a half.
Araluen Cascades is a 15-metre cascade where Finchhatton Creek flows into a naturally carved rock pool. There is a lovely viewing platform and it is a popular swimming spot.
After enjoying Araluen Cascades, we returned and continued along the Wheel of Fire track, rated Grade 4 due to the steps and creek crossing. The total return distance to see both falls is approximately 5 kilometres.
At Callistamond Crossing, you will need to clamber over the rocks to get to the steps on the other side of the river.
Then you reach the beautiful natural swimming hole where you can sit, relax and enjoy the tranquility.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.